If you've just installed WordPress, then you're probably looking for a way to install the plugins that you need for your website. If that's you, then keep watching, because in this video, I'll show you 3 methods that you can use to install a plugin on your site. The first method is the easiest method, and we will be using the WordPress plugin directory. It sounds complicated, but it's really not. From your WordPress dashboard, you'll look for the plugins area, and you want to click Add New. When you click Add New, it takes us to this whole area. This is the WordPress plugin directory. These are all the free plugins available that you can install on your site. To find the one that you're looking for, we want to search for the plugin. We'll do WP Forms. That's a great contact form that you can install. So we'll find it, and this is the one we're looking for. Let's go ahead and install it now. And you have to do 2 things with any plugin. You want to install it, but then you want to activate it, which means you want to make sure that it goes live on your site and that you can utilize it. Once I click activate, it'll activate the plugin, and each plugin will be different. For the WP Forms, I am now taken to the dashboard of the form, where it easily walks me through how to create my first form. So that's the first method, and it's by far the easiest, but it's also utilizing only the free plugins that are on the WordPress directory. Now, the next method is, say you've purchased a plugin and you've downloaded it from the plugin website, you'll need to upload it on your own. So let's do that next. We want to go back over to our plugins area. We can click Add New again. And instead of doing the search plugins area, we want to click on the upload plugin button up here. So we'll click upload. And now we can choose the file, and we need to search for it on our computer. From here, you can either click choose file, or if you have it open, you can left click the zip folder and drag it. And then you see it here. Once you choose the file, you want to click install now, and then it will go through and install the plugin that you just uploaded. Again, once it's installed, you'll be prompted to activate the plugin if you need to activate it right now. And if you don't want to activate it, you can go to your installed plugins and you can see the status of them, where we only have our WP Forms Lite activated. You can tell by the blue, and these 2 are still not activated. From here, you can activate any of them. You can also delete them. You can deactivate them if you don't want to use that plugin anymore. So that's method 2. Now, method 3 is very similar to method 2. However, instead of uploading it through our plugins admin area, we'll be using an FTP client. There are several FTP clients that you can choose from. I'll be using FileZilla for this tutorial. If you're not familiar with FTP clients, then you can view our FTP video on how to get started with that. Once you connect to your website, make sure that you go into your plugins folder. To do that, I'll show you, we'll drill down into the public HTML. We need to go to WP content. That is where all of our themes and plugins are kept. And right here, you see our plugins page. And here are the 3 plugins that we have. What you need to do is, when you download your zip file from the website that you've purchased your plugin, you'll also need to unzip the file so that you can upload just the folder. So we need to do that next. So you see here I have my OptiMonster zip file. So we need to right click and extract all. Browse where we want it to go. Select that folder. And we do want to see the extracted files when complete. So let's click extract. And now we see this folder here. What you want to do is make sure that when you click on the folder, you have all of the subfolders and files beneath that folder. We're happy with this. So now let's go back to our FTP client. Going to right click, refresh, so I can see all of the items here. And what I want to do is bring this folder and upload it over here. So all you need to do is right click, click upload, and now it will upload all of the folders into my plugins area on my website. And when it's finished, we can head back over to our plugins page, and you'll want to click refresh or just click the installed plugins again. And when you do that, you now see that the plugin that we just uploaded is here. When you upload via FTP, it automatically uploads, but it does not activate. So anything that you want to activate, make sure you come back over here to your installed plugins area and activate the plugins that you need to. And that's a simple way of how you can install a plugin on your WordPress website. Did you learn something from today's video? If so, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll send more helpful tips to help you manage your WordPress website. And thanks for watching.